Toes? What's with your toes? Do you need to put your toes in your pants? Do you want some help? Rosemary, would you like some help? I think you're trying to put your toes in where your toes should come out. Oh, yes, that'll work. I'll put my toes in. Excellent idea. Maybe it's not such a good idea. Toes. Want some help? Can you say please? Okay, I'll help you. Now, since I'm going to help you, will you say thank you? Good girl. Okay, I'm going to hold them out. You step in. What? What? You just took them away from me. You don't really want help with that, huh? Hey, Rosemary, do you see the letters? What do these letters say? It's got a pear. What are those? Little ducks? Whoops. That's what that button does. Is that a dog? What does a dog say? What does a dog say? Rosemary, does a dog say woof woof? Yes. A toucan bird. T-Q-R-S-T. Strawberry. Yummy. Queen. What are those letters? M-N-O-P. I see A, B, apple. Ball. Very good. Banana. Is it a yellow banana? Airplane? Are we going to go fly on an airplane? What's that face? You want the tablet. Ah, you want my tablet. You're not even looking at me. You're looking at the camera. Like, give me that. Give me that. Can you say please? What? Please? Okay, hang on.